Remove the original tailgate. Keep the original tailgate mounting screws. Then thoroughly clean and degrease the surface of the Maxton design tailgate spoiler and the tailgate spoiler mounting surface. Place double-sided mounting tape on the edges of the tailgate spoiler. Place a tailgate spoiler in the intended mounting location. Align the tailgate spoiler with the trunk lid. Then use masking tape to mark the lower edges of the tailgate spoiler. Remove the tailgate spoiler and thoroughly clean and degrease the place where the double-sided mounting tape is glued. You can use mountain glue on the indicated places of the tailgate spoiler to further strengthen the attachment. Place the tailgate spoiler in the mounting location. Then remove the protective film from the double-sided mounting tape and firmly press the tailgate spoiler to the trunk lid. Using the original screws, attach the tailgate spoiler from the inside of the trunk lid. Place the screws as they were originally placed. We recommend leaving the car with the Maxton design tailgate spoiler installed for 24 hours so that the double-sided tape and mounting glue can bond properly.